Jijiko. The next station is... The next station is Airport Terminal 3. Doors closing. The next station is Emirates.
Everybody, good afternoon from India. Carrie Teresa here. So for today, good luck ko para ako si Mama Mayo. Good afternoon. Yes. Ay, insecure daw, narinig niyo. Hi everybody, it is Carrie Teresa here. So for today's video, I was planning to make my life in a week. Wala lang, may malang vlog. Ano lang to, random upload lang to. So for today's video, tara samahan niyo ako. I'm gonna be visiting my brother. But I'm not gonna be filming them because I want to keep my family private. Yung best yun mong stress. Yung tapos na yung trabaho, nagtatrabaho pa din. This is the daily lives in Dubai. So here you will be able to know like what time is the arrival of your bus. You just have to check it here. And while waiting, you can stay here inside. So while waiting, you can stay inside because there's a air condition. Tapos shucks, ang haba ng pila. Good luck. That's our bus. Yung laban. Hala, kasya ba tayong lahat dyan? Sana kasya. Hindi kasi hindi naman talaga napupuno yan. Parang hindi siya kakasya. Sumiksik tayo, okay lang yan. Tara. We have... Ay! Ano na yan? Ang ganda na yan. For today's video, dadalhin ko kayo sa kadulu-duluhan ng Dubai. Like what I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna share my ganaps for a week. Try lang, bakit? Gusto ko lang i-share. So for today's video, nandito tayo sa kadulu-duluhan ng Dubai. Probinsya na ito. Yung nasa probinsya, pero yung outfit. Sabi ng asawa ng kapatid ko, sa ilalim ng puno, pumunta kami doon, puno rin naman yun. Ito rin yung puno niya. Kala mo isa lang siya, kala mo siya lang may puno dito. Hoy, alam niyo, for a very long time, sobrang curious ako about this car. Parati ko ito nakikita eh. Lapitan natin, mag-hi tayo. Sobrang curious talaga ako sa sasakyan na to. Try natin mag-hi. Yung quick video lang. Hello, how are you? Sorry, do you mind if I just take a video of this?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Yeah, but how do you call this car?
Like?
What's the car name?
Car name Slingshot.
Slingshot. Ah, okay, this one.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Because I've been seeing this. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Ah, okay. Pakistan, at the back. Hoy, everybody, oh. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Taray na mga laruan mo. Social. Oh, yun lang. It's called Slingshot. Thank you. Diba yung mga nila, no? Mga trip sa Dubai, diba? Ganyan yung mga neighborhood dito. Thank you, Shukriya. O, diba? Huwag nyo nilalaro yung mga tao sa Dubai, gagi. Kita mo yung laruan nila. Sabi niya, hindi niya alam kung sa ipapark. Sa akin na lang, park mo sa amin, sa bahay namin. Oo mo. Wala kaming sasakyan, baka naman. Saan ba ito? San ako pumapasok, di pa rin natin bahay yon. Hoy! Pochi, buhay ka pa, humihinga ka pa. For everybody, this was a gift of my client. This cost 12,000 dirhams. Actually, 15,000 yan. Sabi sa akin ng kliyente ko, tuwang-tuwa kasi siya sa akin. Sabi niya, Kay, do you want a dog? Because I really like you and I wanna give you something. Sabi ko, where will I put the dog? Ang liit-liit ng bahay ko. So I give it to my brother. Oh, see, that's the story of Pochi. Buhay ka pa, buhay ka pa. Pochi! Pochi! Sabi ng kuya ko, ba't hindi ko raw sila binibisita? Ang hindi nila alam yun, ang tamad-tamad ko daw puntahan sila. Ang hindi nila alam yung totoong rason. Paano yung anak mo, hindi mo naman tinuruan mag-Tagalog? so ayun talaga yung totoong rason, ba't ako napunta dito? Kasi yung bata, hindi mo marunong mag-Tagalog. English. Siyempre, mag-iwas mo tayo sa English. So kung inaakala talaga nilang ganun yung rason, ngayon alam na nila. Pag napanood nyo tong vlog na to, turuan nyo mag-Tagalog yung bata para bisitahin ko kayong mas madalas. Oy. Huwag niyo akong pahirapan sa pag-visit ko. Bibal! Come to tata. Let's go. Kiss me na dali bago pa uwi kong bata. Dali!
Where's my white shampoo?
Naririnig niyo ba yung bata? Di ba? Ang hirap intindihin.
I'm gonna sit on them!
Yes! Sige, paano mo intindihin yung bata? Oh. Dali na. Ay, wag ka na pala. Ibalik. Shermin yung sugar mo.
Hello mga Dimo, ito na naman kami sa aming vlog.
Hello. Yung mga pagkain talaga dito. Talaga naman, may mga pagtitipong nagaganap. Ang social. Gusto ko to sa kari-kari, yung inaano yung ano.
Yung hindi naka-mix ng bread.
Yes, I like that. Let's eat. My God. Asang to my brother's wife, if you're watching this, thank you very much for the fooding. Wait nga, tanggalin ko nga to. Thank you very much for the fooding. O, ayun lang everybody, that's gonna be the day 1 of my 1 week vlog. And again, meet my yung best friend kong attorney.
Sorry ka.
Oh, ayun na. So, thank you very much. Ayun na, magkain na tayo. Yes, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Everybody, good morning. It's Tuesday here. Oh, it's Gatoretta here. And it's a Tuesday here in Dubai. Just woke up. I've got some plans. Evening time, meet with my friends. But I kind of wake up sick today because I have been filming a lot lately. And then super init. So ayan, baka nagkasakit ako because of that. So stay at home muna tayo. I have a planet to like. Suma cardigan. Panaginip ka. Araw gabi tayong dalawa. Wednesday. I told you I'm gonna be making a vlog for every single day of my life here in Dubai. For a week lang naman. Hindi naman talaga yung everyday sa buong buhay ko. Hindi naman ganun po. Ever since I arrived here, may breakout had started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. My body, my face, my skin are adjusting to the weather and to the water here back in Dubai. Everybody, it is Kate Toretto here. So for tonight's video, come with me as I go to City Center Deira. I have to check my new laptop because my laptop, once again, finally said goodbye. Ayaw na talaga niya mag-work. It really stopped working. So, pasok tayo sa malaking salamin. So, ayun. Dahil lang, just come with me. I'm gonna be checking my laptop today. I hope I can find one. Lagasan na naman ng pera. This is one of the, my go-to mall here in Dubai. So, whenever I feel like I need to buy something or check gadgets that's very, near to me, this is the one where I'm going. Yung laptop, 120,000. Saan kami ng Panginoon ko kukuhanin yun? Dito na tayo. 120,000 yung laptop. Baka naman, nag-subscribe kayo. Tapos ipakalat niyo yung video ko para mabili na natin yung laptop. Nike, nag-live selling. Ganda. Bakit ito 150? Mahal to. Ganda ba? Pak. Ganda talaga nito. Hala, gusto ko to. Sayang lang, hindi naman nagagamit. Ganda rin to.
Gagaan yung lunch bag, hindi ka naman pumapasok.
Kaya nga sabi ko, di ba? When you don't want to buy the laptop, but when you see bag, shoes, you buy. What is this? I'm calling the attention of my followers. Please share the video so I can buy a new laptop. Please. May Jordan, ayan na, bilhin mo na yan. This is the chance. Remember the last time?
Hindi ko ba't yung ganyan?
Di ba the last time, ayan dapat yung bibilin natin? Trip lang. Pak, Jordan. Carry din to. Ito yung gusto natin nakaraan. Magkano na siya? Nagmahal. Hindi naman mahal dati yan eh. 100 lang yan last year eh. 250 ka ngayon No. Kita mo? Nung nakaraan, bibilin ko yan. Ito kasing gusto kong size, saktong-sakto lang. Ngayon naman na hindi mo na kailangan. Tsaka sila merong stock. My God, kakaloka. Everybody, so that's gonna be it. We're done doing window shopping. Sinaktan lang namin yung sarili namin. This is the times that I wanna go back to work. If I have a job, no questions. Pak! Apple Pay ka talaga. Yung laptop. 116,000. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Oh, siya. Let's see again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. It's gonna be the 4th day of my 7 days vlogging. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye! Everybody, it is Thursday today, and for today's video, someone is inviting me to have a lunch. And as I told you before, I am making a 7 days. Ano ba tawag doon? I'm making a vlog for straight 7 days. Just a daily life. Kami-kami lang sa Dubai. All my nuts. Ay! Hello. Let's go. So we're gonna be eating here. Let's go. Let's do it. For two. Isa sawi, isa masaya. Chares. Ewan ko. Kahit saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Sawi ka ba?
Oh, hindi. Ikaw nga isa. Sino ba sawi? Ikaw. Ah, hindi ako sawi. Okay. Pareho pa lang masaya. Kahit saan. Ano ba? Doon na lang. Doon na lang tayo. Parang pang malaki yun. Hello po. Ha?
Veneers.
Gusto ko yung ganyan. Natural na natural tignan.
Sino sabihin sa inyo ba? Dito na ako best. Papasiyahin ko yun.
Ay, papasayahin. Talaga ba? Hala.
Alexis lang.
Hala. Paano po? Ay! Hala. Kaya pala dito ka nag-aya. Tayo ay naaya na naman sa mga sosyal-sosyal. Mga hindi naiintindihan. Kasi isaw-isaw lang ako. Isaw-isaw lang kasi ako. Dinala ako sa mga ganito-ganito. Hindi ko naiintindihan to. Diyos ko, may mga dala na naman. Naku, hindi ko naiintindihan to. Ayun. No, okay na tayo doon sa mga... Gusto ko iniho-ihaw. Sige, okay lang ako. Sorry, gusto ko lang po. Hindi ko rin naiintindihan kasi talaga. Kuya, ba't ang daming gwapo dito?
Kumure.
Talaga? Ba't ang daming gwapo dito? Requirement ba yun?
Oo.
Ah, talaga?
Talaga dito good looking.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Bakit nasa Takuri?
Ganun talaga.
Pinagtitripan nila tayo. Hoy, yung Pepsi dito nasa Takuri. Hoy, look at the food. The food is foodening.
Fight na.
Uy, grabe naman to. Thank you, Opak. Sarap naman. Mga, hoy, first time ko lang mag-romantic baka. Ay, wait.
Seryoso?
Oo, mahal kasi. Uy, ang sarap. Hala, talaga naman. Hala, gusto ko to. May sinasabi ka kanina, di ba? Hoy, yung staff daw dito nag-aano?
Ah.
Kuya, nag-aano?
Home delivery.
Hindi ganyan yung kanina. Ayusin mo. Hoy, hello. Hello. Lasang tosino. Mabat walang lasang tosino. Everybody, it is Kay Toretto here. So for today's video, come with me as I'm gonna be taking you to a late night drive here in Dubai. It's currently 2:30 in the morning here because I really love you so much and I want you to experience how it feels to do a late night drive here in Dubai. So I'm gonna show you Dubai at 2:30 in the morning. So puyatan vlog because I wanted to show you how it feels like. Kasi I remember when I first arrived here, like minsan yung pinsan ko, he would invite me to have chai at 2:30 or sometimes 3. Ewan ko, nag-aaya siya He's inviting me to eat like this beef paratha, something like that, in the morning. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be meeting a friend that I met in Thailand. He is from Greece. So ayun, let's do that. Ayun yung gagawin natin for today's video. It's just like showing you the place while I'm riding the car. At hindi basta-bastang car. Socially na car. Mamahalin. Yung katumbas ng sahod ko, buong buhay ko, ganon. Everybody, so this is like what I'm telling you. Like, this is one of the best things to do in Dubai when it's like evening time to see these like beautiful places, like lit up and all those lights and just the vibes. You know, when the world is quiet and you're driving in Dubai, that just feels so amazing.
I was born here.
Oh, okay. That explains your luxurious car.
I didn't live here my whole life, so.
Yeah, I can actually do this. Amazing. Ganda ng Dubai, di ba? If it's evening time. Please don't mind me if I speak Filipino, yeah?
Nah, I don't.
Okay. Sure. Hoy, huwag niyong inaarte yan si Kay Toretto. So, Dubai nyo lang itong mararanasan. Sasakay ka ng mga sports car. Yung mga ganyan ang kotse. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Thank you, Dubai, for making me experience all of these things. You know, when I get old, I will remember all of this. Fucking crazy! Diyos ka pa, Dubai, anong ginagawa mo sa akin? Pero real talk, you can only experience this kind of things. Late night drives when you're in Dubai. Maybe not just in Dubai, no? Somewhere around the world siguro, it's also happening to other people. But yeah, as for me, I love this. I really, really like this. How about a plane at LAX with my jeans and my cardigan? Welcome to the line of MXS. Am I gonna fit in? Just something about you. Everybody, it is Kate Toretto here. So for today's video, it's Sunday here in Dubai. So I'm here at Jumbo Dubai Mall. Hindi kaya ng budget yung 100,000. So naghanap ako ng alternative for the meantime. So we're gonna buy something na pasok sa budget pero magandang laptop. So ayun na nga. Na maalam na yung laptop ko. And hindi tayo papayag na mag-start mag-travel ulit tapos yung laptop hindi gumagana. Hindi tayo papayag. Sabi niya, kailangan pagbalik ko dito, si Jumbo na yung ano. Sagot na ni Jumbo yung laptop. Charos. Pangalawa ko na to kay Jumbo, ha. Camera ko dito, laptop dito ulit. Go! Everybody, so ayun, thank you all very much for watching. I'm home. Just came back from Dubai Mall and just want to thank you all for watching this episode. This is like the mema vlog lang. Mema upload lang. Mema share lang. But I appreciate you guys watching this a week of my life here in Dubai. So that's gonna be it. I'm ending my vlog here, a week of my vlog. Thank you all very much for watching. And again, this is Kate Toretto, wherever you are. Whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. So have a good night. Kung asan ka man, wherever you are right now, pahinga ka. Life is beautiful. We are blessed. So, bye-bye.